Imagine waking up to pristine walls that stand the test of time. No more peeling, no more mold, no more stress. Just beautiful walls that bring peace of mind and elevate your lifestyle. But here's the question. What if your walls could not only look flawless, but also shield your home from the elements? Today, we're diving into the world of waterproof paints that don't just protect, but transform your walls into a fortress. Water damage. It's the silent enemy of a perfect home. And if left unchecked, it doesn't just ruin the aesthetics, it damages the integrity of your walls. But here's the good news. With the right waterproof paint, you don't just prevent damage, you enhance the look and value of your home. Now, before you grab the smallest brush you own and start painting, let's talk about the best waterproof paints that professionals swear by. First up, we have the Zinsser Watertight. It's the go-to for those facing relentless moisture. Why? It's formulated to resist up to 34 psi of water pressure. That's like resisting the weight of an angry polar bear on your walls. Not that you'd want a polar bear in your house, of course. Next, there's the Kills Interior Exterior Basement and Masonry Waterproofing Paint. Its secret? It not only blocks moisture, but also resists mold and mildew. Imagine the peace of mind, knowing that not even the sneakiest mold spores stand a chance. But what if you're dealing with intense humidity? There's one product you need to know about, and it's a game changer. Introducing Rust-Oleum Perma White. This paint doesn't just protect, it self-primes and guarantees a 5-year mold-free finish. Now imagine what 5 mold-free years can do for your home. Wouldn't it be worth it? When choosing the right waterproof paint, consider the environment, the type of walls you have, and your budget. Because investing in the right protection isn't just about keeping the walls dry, it's about elevating your entire home experience. Ignoring water damage won't just hurt your walls, it could cost you thousands in structural repairs. So, what's the cost of prevention compared to the peace of mind it brings? In the end, the walls of your home are more than just barriers. They're a symbol of the life you're building. Protect them wisely, and your home becomes not just a sanctuary, but a legacy.